Hello everybody, we're back.
Yeah.
It's the happy,
Retro night again.
the happy trio.
Yeah, the happy trio. Of course, Rudy Gay is there. Mr. LeBron James and Kobe Bryant.
Wala ko sabihin mo, Bill
So we have
Bill Russell.
we have
What? Total of 12 cases of X receipts.
no
9 cases of 09, 10.
Different years.
That's right, 9.
So, 9.
9 of 09, 010.
Yes.
What?
1 case of 0...
two cases of
two cases of 07, 08, diba?
Oh, then 1
One
05,
case,
06.
05,
So, total 12 cases X receipts.
but these are all sealed. Hopefully nobody is
Sealed, sealed.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's start with the 07, 08.
07, 08.
How about the Panini boxes we opened earlier?
Yeah, we opened
We
how many
opened,
cases of Panini?
I think 8 cases of Panini. There.
More than
There. And razor cuts, but we're not gonna show you that. We just got some Tyreek
muna.
Evans
Buksan mo yung open
and
mo.
Jennings
Saka
autos.
ready. I'm just making sure ready
You're
na.
not listening, ha?
No, it's okay. So this is the
Wait.
07, 08.
You put it down so that they can see. Let's start with the Durant year.
Durant year. Come on, give us
Oy!
what?
I see something.
Yeah, I see too eh. I see.
Dead people?
You
No.
know, of course not.
Oy.
Oh,
Brewer.
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 Mr. Dunker, ha? Parang I think there's
Who's this? He's still playing? Jameson Curry? No more?
no more.
Wait, what did you see?
One of one.
That's what we
Sean
saw,
Marion.
the masterpiece.
Yung redemption, di pa naman paso yan, di ba?
Hindi pa. Pwede pa yan. I think, pwede.
Mr. Gay?
Hindi, tsaka pinirmahan na yan eh.
What?
Mr. Gay.
Mr. Rudy.
Mr. Rudy. You want Mr. Rudy? Rudy Fernandez?
Oh, Rudy Fernandez is playing again.
Again?
Yes.
Okay.
Bogut? Oy,
Oh,
not bad. Glenn
Big
Davis.
Baby.
Big baby.
Big
yeah.
baby injured.
No, playing.
Playing
Playing
ready?
already.
Yes.
Okay. Mike
Mr.
Bibby.
Bibby.
It's the signature patch, huh? What's that?
Dual enshrinements, number to 10. James Worthy, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Not bad.
Not
Di
bad.
pa
huh?
Oh, no
Di pa
good.
paso?
Expiration,
No,
7/7/2010.
7/2010.
Very
Oh,
good.
pwede
very
pa.
good,
Still,
very
Still have a few
still.
months to redeem it.
And
6
Chris
months
Bosh.
more to go. 6
Chris
months more
Bosh.
to go. And anyway, those are already signed cards.
Yeah.
They
Are
you
cards
sure?
already. Yeah.
How sure are you?
It's my uncle.
Oh, really?
He's from Upper Deck.
Your grandfather?
Uncle Pablo?
Oh, yeah. Uncle Sam.
Nacho? Tio?
Yeah.
Tio? Tio Pablo?
Chupablo. And Chupaeng also.
Maurice
Who's
Almond?
that?
I don't think he's
Maurice
playing.
Almond? Oh, good one. Larry
Larry
Bird
Bird
and
and-
Mr. Parrish.
One of
1 of 10.
limited logos. Oh,
Oy,
Mike Bibby.
It's raining Mike Bibby, huh?
Why are you getting Mike Bibby?
Yeah, because Atlanta is winning.
And Kevin Martin, who's I think who's back also.
Yeah,
He's
back.
back.
Yan, yan.
But I think they lost
Sacramento
to...
to Washington.
Oh, yes, to Washington.
Why, you lost in the bet, Mr.
No, I
Because
didn't.
after
I wanted to
coming
bet.
double overtime, I thought Washington will not
You
have
thought
the
you
players.
Ako, I wanted to bet sa Washington, but I bet on Miami instead.
So
Big
you lost.
mistake.
Ooh,
Darian
what's
Green, he's not playing anymore.
no more.
Maybe he's in China, I don't know.
that?
Why?
I think he's in
Oh,
the-
Magic
he's
Johnson.
in our team.
Team what?
Philippine team.
PBA?
Northern Green, yeah.
What's this? What's this?
Enshrinement.
Enshrinements.
Yeah.
Ooh, Richard Jefferson.
Jefferson.
Gifted swatches. Chris Paul.
Chris Pauli. Why is that?
But so far, it's not bad, huh?
So that's our ano?
Paano pa?
Ano to? 0708 ano?
This is the last box of the 07, 08.
We need the we need the Durant rookie card.
Yes.
Just
Durant.
a regular
Gold.
rookie card.
No.
Oh, Louis
Alonso.
Admonson playing
He's
for the
playing
Phoenix.
Yeah, he's doing well. About 5 points and 2 errors per game.
And Chris
Who's
Bosh.
that? Oy, Chris Bosh. Will be soon a Laker, huh?
No.
Oh, according to rumors.
No. we
Soon
hope
to
not.
be a Lakers.
Enshrinements. Arnie Reesen.
Oh,
Is he
he's
still alive?
dead, I think. No, still alive. He has reason. He has reason.
Pare, parang sabog lang.
Are you high?
Yeah, I'm high.
Bad grass?
Yeah, very bad grass. It's the grass in our lawn.
Oh, why is it take this, huh?
Oh, is that
Glenn Davis again?
Ooh, it's
Or
a
they want
hot
Cook?
Oh, still playing?
Yes, yes,
With
yes.
Miami.
Scripted.
Oy, gold!
Oh, wait.
Durant!
Aaron Gray.
Oh my God!
But we already have the 35 of 35.
Yeah, I know. We sold it already. Uy!
Durant!
What's that?
Oh, Chris Paul!
Chris Paul, number
Nice.
10.
And then...
Ba't kumuro ba siya?
That's a hot pack.
Hot
Hey
box,
dude,
huh?
open your ano.
What? Open my zipper? You want
No,
to
no, no,
what?
no, no, no,
What do you want to
no.
open?
Don't do that.
Oh, what do you want?
Don't do that.
I'll boycott you, ah.
Oh, where's the other one? Ah, this is the only one.
This is now
So this is the case with the autograph.
506, huh?
Oh, 506. Oh, give us a one of one here, please.
This is heavy.
Give us a one of one here.
This is heavy, huh?
Oh, a one
Oh,
of
506
one,
scenario ko
please.
nito? Derrick Rose?
No.
No, this is
Ay,
the
no,
Chris
Chris
Paul.
Paul.
Chris
Sorry,
Paul
Chris Paul.
generation.
Oh, this is what I think this is a hot case pack again, huh?
Wow. Uy, Andrew Bynum. Oh,
Oh,
Francisco
Garcia.
Good enough, good enough.
Injured. Oh,
Kevin
Kevin
Garnett.
Garnetsky.
Is it the right
Okay,
one?
this is from the right box.
Ayan.
This is the one we got from the 0405 last time.
dual
Weird.
jersey.
Ah,
Huh?
ganun. Ah, mali yun dati?
Weird niya.
This is who? Nate the Great and Derek.
David Lee.
David Lee.
Good. Uy, Andrew Bynum.
No, Von Wafer, you're so...
Oh, it's purple.
Don't jinx
I
it.
saw purple. So I thought it's Bynum. Base card of Shaquille.
This is the
Okay.
card, no? That we got last time from 0405.
Oh, heavy again.
John. Para lahat ng mga ano dito.
Heavy again.
Heavy?
Yeah.
Heavy got. Ooh.
No.
Nobody,
No, no.
nobody.
No.
Dual.
No.
Wait.
Is that no? That is expired.
Rookie
already.
patches. Rashad McCants.
Expired din eh.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good that it's Rashard McCants.
But
Oh,
no,
the
the Ron
rookie,
Williams.
rookie year.
Oh, rookie year.
Yes, the
Yeah,
Ron
rookie
Williams.
year of the
Nice.
run.
Pero kung mataas yung mga
KG.
Last time 200. Oy! I told you I saw something.
Yeah,
Magic
but
and
it's
Larry
only
Hughes.
Larry
Yeah,
Hughes.
Larry Hughes.
Akala ko Lebron.
No, I saw
No.
it. Wait.
Dwayne.
Seryoso wala na to?
Wala na.
Okay lang.
Pwede mo ba ibenta?
Wala na. Isang paso na yan eh, bro.
Nobody's that stupid like you.
Oh, yeah. You suck it. Whatever.
You rest back.
I will go outside.
No.
Rest back
No,
now.
no, no,
I'm
no.
not feeling
Oy!
anymore.
Francisco
Again.
again.
But this is a better patch.
Francisco again. And no Jordan.
No, Jared Jack.
It's bald
The
eh.
head.
It's bald. It's bald.
The bald head.
Bald head. I thought it's Jordan.
Ooh, it's
Oh.
Lebron.
Lebron,
Oh,
extra
bato,
jersey.
autograph.
Yeah, no,
No autograph.
Ganda sa ano.
Oh, well. Uy.
Oh no.
Oh, Korolev. Yeah, but it's gold.
25 of 25.
Yeah, Korolev.
So this is our retro. Let us now go to the
0910.
0910.
Yeah,
Okay,
we have
next
9
next
pieces.
video.
Edsel, you pass one.